Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add clickable links to Canva. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, we got a design, and from here we need to add a clickable link to the text. So how we can do that? First of all, let me just make another text which is click here like this. So after going to that, now if we just select this text and right click on it, and as you can see, we got the link option right over here. So we need to tap on the link, and here you can get two options: enter link or search, and display mode. So first of all, we need to add the link like youtube.com. Let's just add it like this, and it will be like that. So if we just tap on this text, and we got the youtube.com. So if you just want to make it like this, like a text, then the link would be like addable link. And if you just simply embed it, you can also do that. Like if you just display mode, change to embedded, so it will like embed the website like this. So we will go with click here. And now if we just go to rendering, what you can do is simply go download option, and from here you need to select the PDF standard. Don't go with the PNG or JPG. That if we just go with that, this link won't count. So you need to only go with the PDF standard, and then you can simply click the link. Like if we just download it for real quick. So as you can see, we have downloaded the file. And now if we just click on this link, click here, just tap on that, and it will be redirecting me to the youtube.com. So I think this video might help you out in many ways. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.